Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's DIY, we have this mason jar right here. Okay, we're going to turn this mason jar into a makeup storage holder, a Glam makeup storage holder. Okay, so I have my jar. I have some glitter. I'm gonna be using the pink and the gold. We're going to be doing a kind of like an ombre effect on this jar. So yes, let's get to it. Okay, so first off, I'm going to be applying some homemade Mod Podge to my jar. This is a really old jar that I have here, but yes, we're going to apply some Mod Podge to our jar before we apply the sequins or the glitter. Okay, so you're just going to brush it on all around. And I'm just going to sprinkle some of this pink glitter that I have here all around. Okay, and we just give it a little tap to shake off the excess glitter. So since we're doing an ombre effect, since I have this solid color at the base, I'm going to now tilt my bottle slightly and continue to pull downwards. So you could bring it up as high as you want or as low as you want. So this is what it looks like right now. Okay guys, so now I'm going to go in with the gold glitter. Okay, just give that a tap. And we're going to let this sit for like about an hour and a half. Okay guys, we're here giving it a second touch up of Mod Podge all around. Okay, and once that's done, I'm just going to go back in with a second layer of glitter. Just give it a tap. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing now to the gold. Apply some more Mod Podge on top. To overlap the purple a little bit. And now we're just going to go in with the gold glitter and finish up. It looks beautiful so far. I love it. I have here some gems that I got. and we're going to apply them onto our jar just like that. So I'm gonna take my adhesive. I have here UHU, that's what I use. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit at the back of every gem so that it sticks properly. We don't have to worry about anything coming out. Place it down right about here. So our next step is the mouth of the jar. As you could see, I haven't done anything with it. It is bare. I have here some ribbon. It's a lighter, kind of like a light lilac color. That's what I have here. I have a piece of styrofoam, I would call it. I'm going to be wrapping it around the jar just like that before I put the ribbon on, so that the lines of the jar doesn't show through the ribbon. As you could see here, I don't know if you could see it, but the lines are here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to be placing this first and then putting the ribbon over it. I've already measured my strip of styrofoam here for the jar. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be taking my strong glue. I will put some right in the middle. And I'm just gonna slightly pull it together so that it meets. Now I'm gonna be taking my ribbon and I'm going to measure around it to see how much I need. Okay. I'm gonna put a pinch of glue right here. I'm gonna place my ribbon down. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to take the rest of the ribbon and we're going to create a bow to place in the center here to align with the rest of our gems. So I'm going to take these two fingers, take the end of the ribbon, take your two fingers, place it. As you could see, it's hanging here. Place it over the two fingers, hold it down with the thumb, and we're making one loop around, and we're making two, but we're not going over. We're gonna take the second one and pass it through this space here between my fingers and pull it out, still holding down with the thumb. Okay, and we're going to take the end of the ribbon, and this side here that we're holding with, I'm holding with my thumb, we're going to pass the end of the ribbon underneath it, and we're going to pull so that everything tightens nicely. Okay, and then we're gonna slide it out of our fingers. Then we're just gonna open up the bows, and I'm going to cut out the other end. So here's our cute little bow, and we're gonna be placing it right here, just like that. So we're gonna take some glue, and we're gonna squeeze some onto it right here, a good amount. Oh, this could get messy. And we're gonna place our bow right in the center. Okay, there. I'm going to stick some of these smaller gems that I have here, a row of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna be placing it in the middle of the bow, just like that. Doesn't that look cute, guys? Okay, and that's it for our jar. I love how the gems look on it. I love the ribbon. I hope you guys enjoyed my video as much as I did. If you guys like this video and would like to see more from Kern's DIY, please give this video a thumbs up, and please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys.